What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best Cuckoo rice cookers. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Cuckoo CRP-P1009SW. Our editor's choice is the Cuckoo CRP-P1009SW. If you have a large family, this rice cooker is just the right size. It serves up to 10 people using an intelligent cooking algorithm that gets it just right every time. Once it's finished cooking, the warming feature comes on automatically. A rice scoop and measuring cup are included so you make sure you get the perfect amount every time. In addition to making multiple types of rice, this machine also has a porridge setting and can be used to steam vegetables, cook meat, desserts, and more. Cleanup is easy. The non-stick polymer surface keeps things from getting too messy. When it's time to clean up, just add 2 cups of water and press the auto clean button and the machine does the hard work for you. When the cleaning cycle is complete, simply wipe the inside clean. The stainless steel lid detaches and the inner pot is dishwasher safe as well. Most people love this rice cooker and were very happy with the end results, though some complained that their rice turned brown or yellow in a short period of time. The instructions can be a little hard to follow at first. Number 4. Cuckoo CRP-JHSR0609F. Next up is the Cuckoo CRP-JHSR0609F. If you're looking for a rice cooker that can cook just about anything, this is the one for you. There are 14 settings in all, including super grains, porridge, chicken soup, and both high and low pressure cooking. And, of course, settings for multiple types of rice. This rice cooker features an intelligent cooking algorithm that detects the type of grain and adjusts for the optimal temperature and cook time to make sure you get optimal results. There are some great safety features, too, including an automatic steam and pressure valve and lid locking device, plus it alarms if the temperature gets too hot. The X-Wall stainless steel inner bowl distributes heat evenly for the best results no matter what you're cooking. There's also an easy-to-read white LED display and voice navigation feature that are easy to use. It also has an automatic cleaning setting and the non-stick, non-scratch surface makes cleanup a breeze. Users didn't have a lot of complaints about this rice cooker's performance, but some mentioned that the instructions were difficult to follow. It also has a larger footprint than comparable 6-cup rice cookers, so make sure you have enough space for it on your countertop. This is also a pretty pricey machine, but keep in mind you can use it to cook much more than rice. Number 3. Cuckoo CRP-P0609S. The Cuckoo CRP-P0609S is the best electric good choice for small to medium-sized families. It holds up to 6 cups of uncooked rice and has 11 cooking settings, including sushi rice, porridge, fermented bread, chicken soup, and more. Maintenance is as easy as pressing a button. The self-cleaning feature releases a strong jet of steam that sanitizes the inside of the rice cooker. A special non-stick coating prevents your rice from burning and sticking, which makes cleanup easier, too. All you have to do is wipe it clean and the lid is detachable and dishwasher safe. This rice cooker has some great safety features, too. There's a pressure control device and secondary pressure release, lock checking device, thermal fuse, and more. We also like the 2-layer soft steam cap that makes for safer steam release when cooking. Users had a few complaints about this cooker, though most of them were very happy with the finished product. The lid opens a bit forcefully. People mentioned that it actually caused the whole machine to jump and is forceful enough to potentially knock the cooker over. Some people also felt that the instructions were difficult to understand. Number 2. Cuckoo CRP-HS0657F. If you prefer a rice cooker that uses induction pressure, take a look at the Cuckoo CRP-HS0657F. It has a 6-cup capacity that's perfect for a small to medium-sized group and 11 different cook settings, including multi-cook, porridge, rice and beans, and sushi rice. This rice cooker is a good size but won't take up too much room on your countertop. The digital display is easy to read, makes adjusting the settings easy, and a rice scooper and measuring cup are included so you get the best results every time. It has an automatic steam cleaning feature and the lid is removable and quickly wipe clean. It's also really safe to use and is loaded with 16 different safety features, including automatic steam emission, malfunction indicator, lock checking device, and thermal fuse. While people are generally happy with the way this machine cooks rice, there are a few issues. The voice guides and formula book are only in Korean and, while the instructions are in English, they're not very easy to understand. Some people felt that it was a little pricey, but, again, the results speak for themselves. It's one of the more versatile products from Cuckoo and a great investment if you take advantage of all of the cook settings. Number 1. Cuckoo CR. If you really want a Cuckoo rice cooker but don't want to break your budget, take a look at our budget pick, the Cuckoo CR-0351F. This is a basic model that doesn't have as many features or more expensive options but still produces some of the best tasting rice you've ever tasted. There are 5 different cooking settings, including several rice options, porridge, and steam. This model is a perfect size for a single person, couple, or small family. It holds 3 cups of uncooked rice and uses the same intelligent cooking algorithm as more expensive models to get perfect results every time. Plus, a rice scooper and measuring cup are included so you know you're using the right amount. The non-stick inner pot and detachable lid are really easy to clean. Using the auto steam cleaning system is a quick and easy way to sterilize and remove any stains. Then, just wipe the inner pot with a cloth. It's safe to use, too. People were pretty happy with this rice cooker. It's a bargain for the price if you don't want a lot of bells and whistles. That said, a few people did comment that the digital screen is a little hard to read and some people felt that the latch didn't feel very sturdy. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.